If you've dieted and failed, this is what you need to be doing, because it's not a diet, it's a way of life.
By God's grace, I found Kristy Jo about a year ago.
It was a simple program to follow.
Power Foods lifestyle gave me a whole new meaning in life. I couldn't imagine life without it.
I feel like it really boosts your confidence.
There is no such thing as failure. You have a down day, pick yourself back up the next day.
I think the PFL Academy is for everyone. I mean, if you really want to make a change.
What's best is a sustainable lifestyle change, and that's what the Power Foods lifestyle is all about.
You can do this and still go to the family barbecue.
Fueling my children as well and giving them a foundation to start on.
Kristy teaches you how to pair quick foods that really don't require a lot of preparation.
Confidence level now from before starting the PFL program is wonderful. You will notice a difference immediately.